guys, so it's time to do some garden work and get this garden cleaned up. So I'm going to start weeding and so forth, and then my husband is going to come and help me to get this garden back up in tip-top condition. This here is a pepper plant. It's been planted, but it was in the soil, the seeds. And so I'm going to try to save it for later. I want you. No one else makes me feel this way. Don't know what you do. Hold my hand. Could you hold my hand? Look me in the eye. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. Right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. Promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have. These are the peppers that I transplanted yesterday. That's the other one. I'm just trying to get this bed cleaned up so we can start planting in it. So that's why I'm having him fork it up so we can then get stuff to plant here. Get it nice and cleaned up. So guys, this is what you call turmeric. See this? This is fresh turmeric. So. I swear that I'll stay here with you. So guys, here's my turmeric that we just harvested. I'm going to rake out that bed over there. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise I won't be your side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love. Okay guys, so let's do a little garden update now. As you can see, we were working on the garden this afternoon, and like I showed you before, I was able to harvest some turmeric, and now we have forked up the garden beds. I trimmed this tree here. We were able to fork up this side here. Now here's nice and forked up. And I just used a rake and I leveled it. And then now we have this bed here. Look how nice and clean. I washed down the walkways and left one turmeric plant in the corner there. So yeah, now we still have to fix here to prevent the dog from coming in and my garden gate, but at least the garden is getting back to how it should be. All right, so what is left now is, like I said, to fix here, fix the gate, and then we can now start planting some stuff over here, right? So this is the garden at this point in time. My peppers are here and my lemongrass is here.
Right, and let's just look at the tomatoes one more time. And here we have some tomatoes.
Give me all your love.